Good afternoon, everyone. Everybody wants to do a job or enjoy doing a job which he or she is best at it. We always want to do something which we are very good at, right? So today I would be speaking on how to get the exact position which you desire in the job market. There are a lot of options available, but how would you get the exact position? So today I'm going to make a video on that. First of all, you have to decide where you want to work, what kind of job you want to do. Like exact what are your qualifications. You have to study your qualifications, everything, and then decide where you want to do or what kind of job you want to do. Next is you choose a particular company or an employer. Third is you study the company their strength, weakness, their valuation, market value, their everything about the company. Next is analyze your strengths, weaknesses, capabilities, personality, whether all these things would be suited for the company's growth or not. You have to study. Then you have to move ahead in life. Suppose there is a gap between your desire and your capabilities, then there is no point running behind something which you cannot achieve in life. So it's better that you do something which you can do in your life. Suppose you are a person who is is something which you suits. Suppose you are someone who has a passion in music. You search for something in engineering or something, then obviously you won't be successful or you won't be happy in that job. So search something which you find happiness, as well as you have a strength, weakness, capabilities in that field also. Next is concentrate on what you can give to the company rather than what the company can give you. Obviously, if you study it that way or you present it that way, then it would be helpful for you to understand. Otherwise, you won't be giving much efforts to achieve that job. Or it would be like, okay, it's happening, then it's okay, whatever will happen by luck. You won't give your efforts. But if you think that I also have to do something for the company, then obviously you will work ahead and move ahead in life. Next is once you have made a plan in your mind, write it down on a piece of paper. Lastly, present it to a proper person or the authority, and he will obviously do the rest. He or she who is there will do the rest. Every company is obviously looking for persons who are of some value or will give them some value or some profit. Obviously, they won't look for somebody who will leave the job after 2 months or 3 months. They want somebody who would be a valuable asset for them. So you have to prove yourself, or your ideas or services or connections would be such way that you prove yourself to be an asset to the company. Every company obviously has a room for a definite plan of action. They have a room for a person who has a definite plan of action. If you have a definite plan, then it would be easier for you to convince others. But if you don't have a definite plan, then obviously you cannot convince them that please give me the job. Then obviously we all know that there are a lot of competition out in the market. So you have to prove yourself to be the best person for that job. Whatever salary, whatever package, that's not the concern. But you have to prove yourself that you are the best of that position. Then only the company will give you the job. Otherwise, nobody is going to give you the job unnecessarily. So I think if you follow these techniques, this will help you to get your desired job or your dream job. I hope you all achieve all the success in life. With this, I am ending this video. Thank you.